Mugambo uyu ukinyanirio ni bodi ya kigina gia kung'ethanira na COVID-19 ngwataniro-ini na bengi ya Equity ikiheana nguo cia kwihumbo ni arigitani hindi iria maratangikira arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru Dagitari James Mugai, kigina giki gukinyagia riu kihuthirite muigana wa ciringi milioni 267 hari uguri na uthondeki wa nguo ici cia kwihumbo ni arigitani mari mihango-ini ino.
The PPEs that we have brought today, that we are taking to the other hospitals, the feedback we have received from the medical staff, they are superior in quality than the imported PPEs that the country has been consuming. That shows what we are capable of as a people.
Afitha munene wa bengi ya Equity Dagitari James Mwangi augite ati bengi ino ni igirite itinaini ria keri ria uguri wa nguo ici mubango uria ukuhuthira muigana wa ciringi milioni 400 akiongerera ati indo ici ikugurwo guku bururi-ini.
Because we have started seeing the numbers are increasing, we have placed a second order of 400 million, so we know we will have the PPEs to support you.
Na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu kusema kweli the medical fraternity wanaenda through very difficult situations. Wengi wao hawaendi kwao nyumbani kwa sababu wakitimbu wagonjwa, hata wao wanahofia famili zao zitapata hii ugonjwa. Tunasema asante sana.
Hari kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, gavana wa kaunti ino Francis Kimemia augite thirikari yake ni igite keheri-ini muigana wa ciringi milioni 462 cia kwambatiria ikiro thibitari itiganite na wodi cia keheri-ini itanyihiire 330 cia kuiga arwaru angikorwo muigana wa arwaru ni ukwambatira matuko-ini mokite.
In the county we have 330 beds, isolation beds, and we have more than 11,000 quarantine facilities in the county. We have identified schools where you can be able to put in our people.
Wodi ya kuiga arwaru keheri-ini ya thibitari wa engineer level 4 gukinyagia riu ina arwaru eri a murimu wa COVID-19 aria marathie na mbere gutangikirwo ni arigitani a thibitari ino. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma thibitari-ini wa engineer level 4 Kinangofu kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.